Assalamualaikum and good afternoon everyone. My name is Muhammad Akasha Biroki and today we will discuss about a sustainable development goals number 12, which is responsible consumption and production. Let's According to the United Nations, if the global population is too many, which is 9.6 billion by 2050, 1/3 worth of resource could be required to provide natural resource to maintain our current way of life. This goal is created to adjust their practice in order to secure sustainable future. What is responsible production and consumption? Responsible production requires manufacturing of goods and services in an ethical way that minimize waste and pollution to support long-term sustainability of natural environment. While responsible consumption not just buying greener product but also being more aware of their end-of-life destination. It also consider the environmental, social and economical impact of both the goods and services. Our purchasing habit make the consumption of the material by human grow every year and it reached 92.1 billion tons, growing the percentage by 250% since 1970. Next is, humankind is polluting water faster than nature can purify and recycle it in the river. Less than 3% of the world water is fresh and drinkable. This shows that the man that pollute the earth's resource itself. This is the problem to the sustainable. Things become worse when the ability of the natural resources base is reduced by the too much of deforestation activity to support the supply demand and cause land degradation. Then 1/3 of all food product is waste each year, while 1 billion of people is hungry. The improvement and demand of production in transportation and electronic sector lead to people consuming it a lot nowadays. Thus, the road is full with car and other transportation, making this planet ecosystem is more sick and less sustainable. And lastly, the city is now consume so many light and every house have TV and other electrical device. This make our world less sustainable to achieve this goal. There are small steps we can take to change and achieve the Sustainable Development 12 goal. First is buy organic groceries from local farmer market or reduce food waste by buying only what you need by listing them before go to groceries and shopping. Next is by shopping sustainability and buy eco-friendly things. Ditch the disposable and embrace reusable instead and take unwanted product to local recycling facilities such as green bag. And for the energy, to switch to clean energy such as solar for the household and take public transport or carpool when travel to work or in short distance. Engineering solution. The engineer produced a product tool such as lab straws for people to use the water safely. This straw can filter directly from river or lakes and work as water purifier. Next is new production of zero waste packaging such as container for packaging made from fiber such as wood. This product is biodegradable. And lastly, by changing the traditional technology to new technology that reduce the environmental impact, and this will increase the energy efficiency of production by minimizing the waste product during the production. This will help to reduce the impact. In conclusion, to achieve goal of SDG 12, manufacturers are committed to secure a sustainable future. The well-known companies such as Intel and Top Glove have to set goals and become example to other companies to reduce the environmental footprint of the global manufacturing operation. This will help in achieving the goal of responsible consumption and production. It's time for us to change this world, to live in the healthy world. Together we care. Thank you.